Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the 34 find first and the last position of elements in sorted array. The question is, given an array of integer numbers sorted in non-decreasing order, find the starting and ending position of a given target value. If the target is not found in the array, return a -1. Okay, just read out. And you must write an algorithm with O log n time runtime complexity. Okay, so based on this one and also sorted, so we need to use the binary search algorithm to solve this problem. Okay, target 8, so find this one. 6 didn't find it. First and the last position. Okay, let's see. Numbers learns. Okay, so we can take the first example here. Zero, 1, 2, 5. Left, right. And the right is equal to the -1. So while the left is smaller, should I check equal? Find the starting and end point. It's sorted. Mid is equal to the left. Okay, so we can find that the middle one is what? Is 0 plus 5 minus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 1? Is equal to 2. Okay. So middle is in the 2. Alright, so if the numbers mid is equal to the target, then we do something else. If numbers mid smaller than the target, like current now, left should equal to the mid plus 1. So left move to here, right equal to the mid -1. Now we're going to next one. So for here is the 3 plus 5 minus 3 divided 2 is 3 plus -2 is 2 minus 2 is equal to 4. So middle one is 4. So current now is the target is the find here. Okay, so I want to check the write the result first. We find the target. For here, how do we do this? We need to check the previous, right? Or the first encounter or the last encounter. So I want this one left can maintain the 2 stuff. So for here, is sorted, right? So we have to, I want to stop in this way. We check if the numbers mid is equal to -1 is equal to the target. Then we can do some, there are multiple situations, middle one smaller equal than target, so okay, so for here we need haven't equal to 0. Now we got, which means we find somewhere, so break now. Okay, so for here is here, so I need to check where the left is the left, then move to the first. Haven't and intercept. Loss is equal to haven't, where the first is larger than equal at the same time. Numbers first should equal to the target. Then we should first minus minus. Now we got the first. First it's here. First and a minus, current here is larger than 0. Numbers first is equal to target. Yeah, it definitely equal. Then first minus. For here, you can see. Okay, so this one should larger. Yeah, this one is the 0 and equal to the target. And first it should move. Okay, now the first can be equal to the first plus 1. Okay, for here. And wire this one, right part last. Where the last is smaller than the n. Numbers last is equal to target. Last should plus plus. Last equal to the last minus 1. Now without 0 equal to the first. Without 1 is equal to the last. And return the result. Oops. Happened. Get the last. out of. How could it be out of? Last happen here, right? And then plus the smaller than the n is equal to 6. So it's equal to target. Move here. Not equal to this, will stop here. How could it possible? Let me check for. Yeah, last day is 5. And numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not equal to target. Yeah, last then should be 4. First is 3. Last is 4. Yep, so the result output is what? Is 3, 4. Okay, so this is problems might be happens when the target is 6. We didn't find it, right? If happened equal to -1, which means we return the result. We didn't find it. Yep. Okay. So we should do this. Yep. And for the time complexity is the TC is log n and the space is O1. Yeah, O1. If you compare this result, it still is just the 2. Thank you.